The number one question that I get from my patients, and anytime we do a class, whenever we're talking with people, is what do I eat? People feel so confused about what is good and what's bad, what's going to hurt them, what's going to help them when it comes to kidney disease. Food is something we have to deal with multiple times a day, and being able to feel confident with what you're eating and feeling like it's going to heal you and nourish you, not hurt you, is such a powerful shift in your life. And there's so many amazing, delicious foods that you could have. So I want to share with you what we have in our CKD membership for not only meal planning, but also for finding recipes, and hope that this can be really powerful for you. Now, in our CKD meal plan, I got to go back a little bit. Our CKD meal plan, I'm sorry. Now, in our CKD membership, which is now showing up really weird on my screen, we have a couple things built out. Number one, we have seasonal meal plans that are sent out every season with new ideas on different foods you can have. It's built out that you could eat this for a week and it would meet all your nutrition parameters. We do both a low protein and a very low protein diet parameter. And that gives you a good idea on how you can hit some of these lower protein or lower calorie amounts while still being well nourished. Now, these are totally plant-based meal plans, all whole foods. We don't like to use processed foods unless it's a little bit of bread or toast or a wrap around a sandwich. So really, really nutrient dense, powerful meal plans that you can follow. Now, the other thing that we have built out down here is recipes. Maybe you kind of have a pattern on how you're already eating and you just need some new ideas. We update them seasonally. So this is built out with our spring recipes that we just built in for this. They're updated so that you can see every season what some great ideas are on there. And then we have sides, sauces, dressings, sweets and beverages, and a lot of good options for you. So here's some of our seasonal features for spring 2022. The other thing that we have built in, and we're really proud of this, it's taken a ton of work, is that we have a partnership with Eat Love. Now, Eat Love is a dynamic meal planning database that is pretty powerful. And I'm going to just show you real quick what this looks like for you as a patient. Now, I just have this set up. It's not set up for a CKD patient. This was actually built out for my husband, but could be built out for a CKD patient. So what this meal plan does is that once you finish submitting your information, we build out a really basic plant-based CKD profile. If you want to get it really personalized, you can meet with one of our dietitians and we'll tweak it to match just for you. But it's really pretty amazing because what you can do in this platform is this is set up by your personal parameters based on your height and weight. And if you don't like something on here, you can go ahead and swap it out. And whatever it replaces it with would be something that would fit within your nutrition parameters. So really, really powerful. So maybe you didn't like that, but you really wanted to have the chocolate banana walnut mug muffin sounded really good to you. And that way you have your own dynamic platform. Now this platform is amazing because beyond just generating meal plans, the other thing that it does that's really powerful is as you're going through here, you're like, okay, definitely want to eat that, want to eat that, want to eat this. And it's going to generate your grocery list for you. And not only that, but if you do a grocery delivery or grocery pickup, you can send it to any of these 3 places to be able to get your groceries delivered. It is one and done, makes your meal planning super easy. We use it in my family also to plan our meals. So that's one of the really beautiful extra perks in our CKD membership. All of the meal plans come with the nutrition information that you need to decide if this is working or not working. And most of the recipes interface with our Chronometer account so that you can easily track and log your food in there and get a complete profile idea on your nutrition. So eating for kidney health for a lot of people can be tricky, But we feel like by giving people a lot of amazing options, whether it's meal plans or recipes or access to Eat Love as a dynamic meal plan, they can be able to solve this problem of what do I eat and have really good, amazing food that they like on a regular basis. And again, we offer dietitian services outside of our community where they can personalize this even more, but this gives a foundational piece to start. We hope that this will be really helpful and beneficial for so many people that are struggling to find whole food, nutrient dense, plant-based recipes, and it can bring a lot of power into their kidney health journey. All right, that's it for now. We hope that you found this is helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we're happy to answer them. Thanks.